Your 2902 package contains an all-in-one outdoor weather sensor array, a display console, a vertical desk stand, wind vane, wind cups, rain gauge funnel, and mounting hardware. Back out the set screw first, then slide the vane onto the shaft. Tighten the set screw with a precision screwdriver. Installing the wind cups, back out the set screw first, then slide the cups onto the shaft. Tighten the set screw with a precision screwdriver. Install the rain gauge funnel. Rotate clockwise to attach the funnel to the sensor array. Press the coil until the hook is inside the hole at the bottom of the funnel. To install the batteries, insert two AA non-rechargeable batteries into the battery compartment. The LED indicator on the back of the transmitter will turn on for 4 seconds and then flash once every 16 seconds. To install the mounting pole, the mounting assembly includes 2 U-bolts and a bracket that tightens around a 1 to 2 inch diameter pole using the 4 U-bolt nuts. Use the bubble level next to the rain sensor to make sure the sensor array is completely level. Additional mounting options are available on our website, ambientweather.com.